Hello everyone, this is Dan out here in Arizona. My numbers are 212. Anyways, about two weeks ago I put up a new antenna. It's the new Sirio Vector 4000. It's just a newer version of the old school Sigma 4 that Avani made, now made by Sirio in Italy. And anyways, ever since I put this antenna up, I get like 9 pounds of noise on every channel, every frequency on my Saturn Turbo. I thought maybe it was the radio. I took it up to my technician in Las Vegas. He's known as the Irishman. His name's Kelly. And no issues up there. So I got another radio I borrowed from my friend. It's a Galaxy 2547, and I get the noise on that radio too. 9 pounds when the sun comes up, and it goes down anywhere from 1 to 3 pounds when the sun goes down. So I'm going to turn on my turbo here and let you take a look at it. Got these blue lights installed. I love these blue lights. And I'll go over to the signal meter. And you can see right there, 9 pounds, 9.5 pounds of noise, just solid noise. And I'll change the channels here. Oh, that VFO is not working too well. Look at that, every channel just 9 pounds. Doesn't go up, doesn't go down at all. And I'll go to, we'll go to different frequency areas. Same thing, it just does not go away. Lower 26 megahertz, it goes down to about maybe 8 pounds. And I don't know what to do. I don't know if it's a grounding issue. It's not the radio because I've hooked my coax up to this radio and it doesn't on this radio. So I'm kind of at a loss. I'm going to go outside and show you how my antenna is set up. Maybe it's a grounding issue. So I'll be right back. Okay, now here I am outside. Here's my antenna mast. Here's my little grounding rod with a copper wire going to the mast. And this copper wire is pretty corroded. Maybe that's what's causing it. I got to replace this, I think. And here it is all the way up the mast. Maybe it's just too long and creating another antenna or something. And up there, as you can see as I go up, is my Vector 4000 up there. Just a newer version of the old, like I said, the old Avani Sigma 4. So I'm just not sure what to do with this noise. It's, like I said, solid 9 pounds. I've even changed coaxes to my friend's LMR 400. Noise is still there. So I just don't know where I can ground this to. I don't know if that's right. It's only a 4-foot copper rod in the ground. See that cable going into the house? That's for cable and internet and all that. There's the electrical box with more cables coming out. I think that's all cable and stuff too. So, but yeah, anyways, that's what I'm dealing with right now, and it's just really bugging me. I don't know what else I can do. Any ideas, let me know. Thank you.